We are going to start QuickTime Player app because then we're going to file new screen recording and we want to record the entire screen. Do I have options? Yeah, I have options. Use the microphone so I can synchronize. Show mouse click sounds awesome. Let's start recording. All right. Not really what I intended to do today, but I was sort of doing this morning. I was going through my to-do app. I use Todoist. And what I do is I have a bunch of recurring tasks that I need to do at home. And if I don't do them, they're not urgent and they're like, if I don't do them, they're not a priority. They're recurring, so they'll come back the next weekend. So that way it's basically the tasks that I need to do at home. The issue is that they keep cluttering up my to-do app, so I keep losing focus. And I want to use the today screen. I want to use the recurring date feature so they pop up every Sunday when I'm supposed to, prepare for the coming week. That's my reset day. And after considering back and forth, what I really want to do is like postpone the ones that I haven't finished so that they come show up the next week. But since I can't do that in the API that Todoist has it, I conceded to completing the task and letting the current task just go ahead and do it. So in my studio in there, I set up a Raspberry Pi that's running N8n, Nate, not sure how to pronounce it. Anyway, I set it up. I called it Tim after Tim Ferriss for the 4-hour work week. Basically, it's the idea is to have a little bit of a personal assistant automating stuff for me and checking things. So N8n helps you set up a workflow with tasks. You can then customize what to do with the tasks. And I figured I'd show how to automate your to-do list so that the recurring tasks will just be completed if I forget to do them on Sunday evening. So what I want to do is I want to create a cron job and I'm gonna have to add a time. I want it to run once a week, 22, like if I haven't done this by 10 I won't be doing it, maybe 23 just to be sure. I want to run on Sundays and that's my cron start node like that. I'll stop this one. Okay. Then I want to add another node. I've already added my credentials to Todoist. What I want to do then is I'm going to add a node here for Todoist. I'm going to consume the Todoist API. I'm going to use my Todoist account with the API key. I want to work with the resources tasks. I want to get all my tasks and maybe 100 of them. That way I don't have to worry about the amount. 50 is probably fine. Anyway, what I found out was easiest to use was the filter options, because these are the filters you have available in Todoist. So I want everything that is overdue on Sunday, and I want it. Ooh, that's interesting. Then I want everything that is things that I'm supposed to do at home, and if you want, you can have them in a section called Automate. That way you can have all the recurring tasks that you want to automate in a section, and you know which ones that will be done. Anyway, if we execute this node, I don't have the section set up. Let's do that now. So this is home. These are things I have to automate, or I want to automate. And so there are 3 of them. I need to plan my week, like what kind of food and groceries I need to buy for the week. I need to go and purchase those groceries. And every time I do that, I always check for discounts at the local store and prepare I think about the menu based on the discount that I have in the local store. But if I forget to do them, then it doesn't really matter. All right, so the workflow executed. We can see here I have 3 tasks that are overdue in my home project in the section called Automate. Excellent. So I want this every Friday, and I'll just go to start then. And then I'm going to add another node here called Todoist, and we're going to use the Todoist account. We're going to not create a task. What we're going to do is close a task. And here I want to use an expression. So I'm going to press this parameter options here, add expression. That helps me go through the input that I had on the left side, select what I want the node to execute on. So current node, I want to work on the input data. I get JSON. I find the task ID that I want to complete. I close that one off, close that one. Now I have this workflow set up. It will run every Sunday every Sunday evening. Great. I want to execute this one. So now we're executing the workflow. What it'll do, it'll get my tasks. There, it worked. Node executed successfully. We're going to get all overdue tasks. It should return 3 items. There we go, 3 items, and it's available to the complete task node. So we're going to run that one. It's running. And there we go. So it takes a while, and there you saw it changed with a live update. I hope you liked this video. If you have ideas for personal automation that I could use, please leave a comment below so that I get more ideas for automation and automating my life, because that saves time. And if you like the content, like, subscribe, sign up to a newsletter, share the video. Okay, thank you very much.